up in my motherfucking hometown and shit. You know, we rep this shit, keeping this shit official from the flesh to the tissue. You know how it is, 2011. Running circles around your squares, you know what I mean?
50 Blizzards on 50 Blizzards TV. What's up, man? You know, it's 2011, and I keep bringing you all kinds of bullshit or whatever the fuck. But anyway, man, I'm gonna hit you off with another my favorite part in the movie.
That's very impressive.
Yeah, now see, I'm gonna be ready. Come on. Duck!
Oh my God.
Yeah, I hate that motherfucker too. See? The cops would have shot homeboy. But I know better. He was just chilling. Now see, this is my pride and joy.
Sure, it says danger.
Yeah, come on.
Now, why do you need all these guns?
Well, you see, guns, when they talk about gun control, they talking about taking away our guns so they can control us. It ain't that kind of party. So I'm gonna be packing and strapping because teeth ain't napping.
What's this one? What is that?
This is a very good choice, little chickadee. You got eyes for this. This is a Uzi, fully automatic.
I guess you have to really know what you're doing to use one of those.
Nah, this is a good jammy for beginners. I mean, this is better than those autofocus cameras. You just spray the area.
Do you know the caliber of all these guns?
Yeah, this one here is for little motherfuckers. This one here is for a couple more motherfuckers. And this here is for big motherfuckers.
Are they registered with the state?
State of siege.
In the state of siege.
My peanuts exceed all standards. They're deaf enough to knock you to your knees. And even planners ain't got no nuts like these. My peanuts!
What up, it's 50 Blizzards TV. In your area, representing, know what I mean, LA, what up, 818, yeah, man. So, 50 Blizzards is back. In case y'all didn't know, I left for a little bit. But yeah, man, 50 Blizzards represent, got a lot of shit coming up, man. You already know, when they set the brother on the loose, he's on the loose.